My name is Dr. Clifford Young, and my practice is Young Dental Health Center, and I also practice at Premier Dental Aesthetics in Arcadia and Young Dental Health Center in Upway. Our practice is a general practice that focuses more on cosmetic and comprehensive dental treatment. We spend a lot of time training to be able to treat somebody from basic fillings all the way to complex implant procedures. One of the issues that we were facing in our office was staffing issues. Also, a lot of my front team would spend time with a lot of things that weren't patient care. So when we found out about Cool Blue A and how it can be integrated into our practice and also relieve some of the front duties so that my front team can focus on patient experience, it was a godsend, and we're really glad we used them. So other solutions that we tried besides Cool Blue VA, we tried other virtual team member companies or virtual assistant companies, but we felt like they didn't have a lot of the IT components that Cool Blue VA has. They didn't come with HIPAA compliance, and when we used Cool Blue VA, it was a totally different experience. The IT was able to integrate seamlessly into our practice management software. From day one, we were able to utilize our VA, who was also very well trained verbally and also had dental experience as well. How Cool Blue VA has changed our business has been threefold. One, it has freed up time from my front desk receptionist, where now she can focus purely on patient care. Two, it has allowed my AR, which is aging report, to be lower because I have a consistent follow-up basis of posting my EOBs, following up with insurances. And third, our insurance verification process is now more streamlined. I have the confidence that when I show up the next day, the patients that are on the schedule is going to have insurance verification. So Cool Blue VA has helped me streamline that. I'm forever grateful, and I highly, highly recommend this company. So the metrics that we have seen improve when implementing a VA from Cool Blue VA was, the biggest one was AR days. Before we were using Cool Blue VA, our AR days was typically around 35 to 40 days, and AR days is aging report. That's typically how long it would take to get paid by the insurance. When we started using Cool Blue VA, our AR days dropped down to 18 to 20 days. That was one of the biggest metrics we've seen improve in our practice. So how my life has improved has been twofold. One is I practice with my wife, who is more on the operation side. So she would spend a lot of time posting the insurance verifying, following up with insurance. She now has a lot more time to help scale the business. And when she's not as stressed about it, I am not as stressed about it, and it makes our lives a lot happier. It's hard to measure, but we both talked about how our virtual team member has played a significant role in relieving the amount of duties that we need to do. It's been great to have a virtual team member from Cool Blue VA. So a couple things I would tell other practices that are struggling is you need to figure out why you're struggling. Is it because the systems are not in place, that the businesses are not running effectively? Then you need to figure out how to outsource them. That's what one of my mentors told me, and that's why I contacted Cool Blue VA. Cool Blue VA was great because they offered me a free trial where they helped me implement my VA without a huge cost to it. I know other companies who would charge an arm and a leg for an onboarding process when you don't really know how to implement a virtual team member. They also have virtual team members in their other practices, so they were a great resource on different apps to use, on how to track checklists, things like that. So Cool Blue VA has been very essential in helping systemize our practice and helping grow the practice. I just want to give a shout out to Cool Blue VA. They have found virtual team members that have been a plug and play in my practice. One other benefit that I love about Cool Blue VA is the virtual team members are verbally well trained. I've worked with other virtual companies where the virtual team members had a difficult time in the English language. It was a language barrier there. Cool Blue VA does a great job recruiting their virtual team members and having them go through a process where they are able to be implemented in practice right away. So shout out to the Cool Blue VA staff for running a great business.